Tidio Chatbot tutorial for beginners. So first of all, a general explanation on what this is. So it's going to be a live chat and AI chatbot platform that will help businesses communicate with website visitors, answer questions, and automate customer support. So it's that simple, but it can be borrowed if you want. If you want to go ahead and use this, you'll be able to see a pricing over here and take a look at their subscriptions. If you'd like any of these, you can take a look at the features and see what suits you the best. There's a monthly and annual option. So again, you're gonna choose whatever subscription that will suit your current situation or whatever subscription you want to get. You can also get a free trial if you want to test the tool first before spending anything actually. But you can press this over here, start for free, and then to do so you're gonna put in your email, your password, and then the URL of your website. So it could technically just automatically connect. It's gonna ask you to create an account, so this is how you'll do it. You need a website as well. So from there, you can install the chat widget on your website by copying the provided JavaScript code into your site's HTML or by using integrations for your platforms. And once installed, a chat bubble will appear on your website, allowing visitors to send messages that you can respond to directly from the Tidio inbox. With that, you can also automate responses. You can go to the chatbot section and use Tidio's visual chatbot builder to create conversations, and with that flows as well. You can set up automatic greetings, FAQ responses, lead capture forms, or routing messages to the right support team. Tidio will also include Lyro AI and AI chatbot that can automatically answer common questions using your website's content, or you could also add custom answers if you'd like. After setting up your bot, customize the chat widget's appearance, welcome message, and triggers so it matches your website and engages visitors at the right time. And then once configured, Tidio can handle conversations, collect leads, and provide real-time support even when you're offline. So once you set up your Tidio or get yourself an account, it will show you how to do the process as a step-by-step instruction, and it will be very easy to follow. So as long as you get yourself an account, or you could always go ahead and press on the free option. But that is the general idea on how Tidio works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.